a distribution of scores is negatively skewed, what does this imply about the test? Would it be letter A, the test was very difficult? Letter B, the test was very easy? Letter C, the scores are evenly distributed? Or letter D, most of the students failed the test? Ang tumpak na choice po natin dito is letter B. You are right, no? The test was very easy. Kapag sinabi po natin skewedness, ito po yung tail, di ba? So ito po yung tail, no? Ito po yung iilang scores na meron tayo sa ating score distribution. And so ito po yung ating tinitingnan, di ba? Sa ating question kanina, negatively skewed, no? Or sometimes your left would say skewed to the left, okay? Negatively skewed or skewed to the left, magkaparehas lamang po yan sila, no? At kung inyo pong nakikita sa ating pong screen, no? Mas marami ang nakakuha ng matataas na score, okay? So higher ang mode sa ating median at sa ating mean, no? So that's your negatively skewed score distribution or skewed to the left. Kapag positively skewed po, no? Positively skewed or skewed to the right, kabaliktaran naman po siya, no? So mas marami yung mga bobits, kumbaga, no? Mas marami yung mga nakakuha na mas mabababang scores, okay? Mababa yung mode mo kaysa sa median at sa mean, no? So, and when you have your normal bell curve, no? Yung bell curve natin kahapon, meron po tayong question on this kahapon, no? Your symmetrical distribution or normal bell curve, normal score distribution, na ibig sabihin po niyan, many of the scores fall on the average, okay? In the middle, no? Average or in the middle. Wala kang skewness, kumbaga.